Hi guys, in this video we will learn about values method of dictionary. Dictionary in Python provide a values method which return a view of all the values in the dictionary. The type of the object will be dictionary underscore values. It is a view to a list which contain all the values from the dictionary. By view means if we change anything in the dictionary, then this view will also be changed. We don't need to update this view, it will automatically reflect the changes. Let's understand with this an example. Suppose val is a view object which contain a view to all the values in the dictionary. Now if we change anything in the dictionary, like for mark, let's update the value to 1000. If we print the dictionary, it will have the updated value for key mark. Now if we print again the view of the values, then it will have the updated value. We didn't fetch the values by calling the values method, but as it was already a view pointing to the list of all values in the dictionary, therefore it got automatically updated when we updated the dictionary. If you want to get a list of all values from the dictionary, then you can just call the list method and pass all the values returned by the values method of the dictionary. It will return a list of all the values from the dictionary, but it will not be a view. It means it will not be updated if anything changes in the dictionary. So this is how we can use the values method of dictionary.